Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasvi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. Today we are going to start our 6th chapter, that is perimeter and area. So at the end of this lesson what you are going to learn that find the perimeters of triangles, rectangles, squares and other shapes, and find the area of regular and irregular shapes by counting squares. Okay, so this little you have studied in grade 3. We will warm up with one activity. Now see this activity. You have painted a picture of a dinosaur and pasted on a rectangle piece of cardboard of length 30 cm and width 20 cm. You want to decorate the picture by pasting a ribbon all around it. What length of ribbon will you require? See this activity you are going to do at home. What you have to do? You have to take one rectangle page where you have to take length is 30 cm and length is 20 and width is 30. And what you want to do here? See, you want to decorate this drawing with ribbon. So you want to paste ribbon this full 4 sides. So you want to buy you want to cut the ribbon, or you want to buy the ribbon. So how much ribbon you are going to buy? How you will find out that how much ribbon you required? Yes students, how you will find out? See, that we are going to see. You require 30 centimeter cover length AB. See, this is 30 centimeter means you know that rectangle both the sides are equal. If suppose CD is 30 centimeter means here also 30 centimeter, and BC is 20 centimeter means AD also 20 centimeter, isn't it? Now see here, 30 centimeter to cover the length AB, dash to cover the width BC. How much BC is there? Yes, 20 centimeter, isn't it? Now dash centimeter to cover the length CD. Now see the CD, how much it is? 30. So write here 30. Dash centimeter to cover the width A and D. See the width? How much it is? 20. So write here 20. Total length of ribbon. Now for this what you are going to do? Now see student, here is 30, here is 20, here is 30, here is 20. If you add this all the centimeters together, you will get that how much ribbon you required for whole page, isn't it? Now see what I'll do. 30 plus 20 plus this 30 plus this 20. If I add all together 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, yes, 10. How much centimeter ribbon you required? 100 centimeters. So right here, total length of ribbon we required 100 centimeter. See this what I have done. This 30 means, or you can say AB, plus this 20 means CD, again this 30 means CD, and again this 20 means AD. Addition of 4 sides is the length of required ribbon. Got it? Clear till here? Yes, very good. Now we will see what is perimeter. See, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. You can say that sum of lengths of all the sides of closed plane figure also. See here, they have given you have learned about simple closed figure made of straight line segment. Now look at this closed figure made up of 4 lines. You can see here there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how it is? It is closed one. 4 line segment. Each of length is 4 centimeter. How much it is? Each one is having 4 centimeter. First also 4, second, third, fourth. Everywhere 4 centimeter is there. The sum of the 4 sides is, when we add 4 sides together, 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equals to 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So the sum of 4 sides is equals to 16 centimeter. Means perimeter means what? I hope you all are getting now. Perimeter means the sum of the lengths of all the sides of closed figure is called perimeter. So the perimeter of A, B, C, D is 16 centimeter. Are you getting? I'll repeat again. The sum of the lengths of all the sides of the closed figure is called its perimeter. Just now we have seen that figure. So when we add all the sides of closed figure is called perimeter. Now we will solve our exercise 6.1. Now look at the board. Find the perimeters of these shapes from the measurement given. Now they had given measurement, okay? They had given some shapes here. Now we are going to measure. So how to find out the perimeter? Here it is given. The sum of all the lengths of the sides of closed figure. See, we have to take, this is closed figure fully, isn't it? Is it open figure? No, it is closed figure. So the sum means addition. Sum means what? Addition of length of all the sides. When you add all the sides length together, we get the perimeter. Now see, I'll add here 5 plus, we'll write centimeter also students. 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Now add 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 centimeter. In this way you have to write. Now see here, this is also closed figure. We have to measure the length of all the sides. For that what we have to do? We have to add all the sides together. I'll start from here. 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Now we will add 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, yes, tell me, 12. So write here 12 centimeter. Now third one you are going to do by your own. What you will do? 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equals to, you have to add these 3 numbers or 3 sides together to get the perimeter of this shape. Clear? Very good. Before moving to next, here we are going to do one interactive activity. See how to measure the perimeter. Now use the scales to measure the sides. Enter the length of the sides, then enter the perimeter, then press done. Now see, you do have ruler, scale, ruler, okay. This they had given one shape, okay, rectangle. Now we are going to measure this, or we are going to find out the perimeter of this given shape. So what you are going to do? You have to use your scale, and from where you will start? From 0, okay. Okay, from 0 to where you see? Now this is AB. From 0 to till where it came? 6 centimeter. So here I'll mention 6 centimeter. Okay, so see that given perimeter is equals to all sides of sum. That is AB, CD, AC and BD. Now what I have done by using the ruler, I have find out the centimeter of ABA. Now again I am going to find out the centimeter of, I will calculate the centimeter of CD. See, use your scale in this way, where 0 is there, keep at the C and see how much it is. From 0 to till D it is 6 centimeter. So here also I will write 6 centimeter. Okay. We have completed this CD also. Now I'll keep this. Now I have to measure this both the sides. Now I'll take this ruler. See what you are going to do. 0. Where 0 is there, keep at the 0 in this way. Okay. Now see, from 0 to how much AC is? 1, 2, 3. So I'll write here 3 centimeter. Okay, now I'll measure BD also. Again I'll keep from 0. Okay, see, from 0 till B how much it is? 1, 2, 3. So it is also 3 centimeter. Okay, now I have done this. Now we will enter how much AB is how much centimeter? 6, correct. CD also 6. What about AC? See where is AC? AC is here 3 centimeter. Now I'll enter here 3. What about BD? How much BD is? 3 centimeter. Then again I'll enter here 3 centimeter. Now we have to add this all. 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Now I will write here 18. We will see. And we have to press done. That's correct. Very good. Now one more we are going to, now we have measured the perimeter of rectangle. Now we are going to measure the perimeter of square. Okay, now I'll measure the sides. AB I will measure. I'll keep here from 0. How much AB? See, 0 to till B it is 7. So directly I will write here 7. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Now opposite side always equal. Okay, AB is equal to CD. So of course CD also 7 centimeter, but then too I will keep your ruler. Just we will cross check. See, see here 7 only. So I will write here 7. Now what about AC? Now AC. From 0 to 7. Okay, so AC is 7. I will write here 7. And this side, opposite side, of course equal, again 7. You can see here. Now we have to add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. Now I'll write here 28. We will see whether our answer is correct. Yes, our answer is correct. Now we'll move to the next. Now see, same, just measurements are greater. Now 10 centimeter is there. Okay, in this way you have to measure the perimeter of any given shape. Understood? Very good. Now we are going to study about finding the perimeter of triangle. Now what is perimeter of triangle? See, the sum of the length of all the sides. This also, the sum of length of all the sides of triangle. If we add, we get the perimeter of triangle. Okay. Now see here, this is triangle. Triangle ABC. Now they are given the length of AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and AC is 5 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You have to write the perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to AB plus BC plus AC. How much AB is 4 centimeter plus BC is 6 centimeter plus AC is 5 centimeter. Now add 4 plus 6, 10 centimeter, 10 plus 5, 15 centimeter. Understood? In this way you have to find out the perimeter of triangle. Clear? Yes. Now we will see how to find out the perimeter of rectangle now. Okay? There are two ways to finding the perimeter of rectangle. The first method, perimeter of ABCD. Now see, ABCD. This is the rectangle. Now AB. AB is how much? 10 centimeter. BC 6 centimeter. CD 10 centimeter and AD 6 centimeter. If we add all together, we get 32 centimeter. See, the perimeter of rectangle also addition of the sum of length of all the sides. The second method, how you can solve the same question. See here, the second method. The opposite sides of rectangles are of the same length. So the perimeter can be worked out like this. How? Perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. Adjacent means same sides. Now see, AB is equal to CD. See, here also 10 centimeter, here also 10 centimeter, and AD is equal to BC. Here also 6 centimeter and here also 6 centimeter. They are equal. Opposite sides are always equal. So how you can find out? 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent side. What are the adjacent side? AB is equal to CD. So we have to write AB plus BC is equal to AD only. So write BC only. Now 2 multiplied by AB is how much? 10 plus 6. BC is 6. So what you have to do? 10 plus 6. We have to add 16. Then 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. The answer we will get the same. 32 centimeter, 32 centimeter. Here we have done the addition. Here we have used the shortcut method also. Means here we have to add 4 numbers together. Here we have to add 2 numbers, and whatever the number we get, we have to multiply by 2. Okay? You can use any method which you feel easy. Okay? Fine. Now we will see the next. Now we are going to study about the perimeter of square. You already know how to find the perimeter of rectangle. You can find the perimeter of square ABCD in the same way. Now here also you can use both the methods, but here they have used the second method, that is perimeter is equals to sum of all the sides. Okay, you can use the sum of all the sides, then you can write AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, then 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, or else the second method is sum of all sides is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Means there are 4 sides, and how much each side? Since all the sides are equal. See, when all sides are equal, you can do in this way 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by how much? 10. So 4 multiplied by 10 centimeter is equals to 10 4s are 40. Right, 40 centimeter. Clear? Understood? Very good. Now we will solve our exercise 6.2. Now see here, measure the sides and find the perimeters of the figure given below. Now what you are going to do, you have to open the textbook. Come on, page number 75. Everyone open fast. Take out your ruler. The first one. Come on, everyone use the ruler and measure the rectangle and tell me how much centimeter is. Okay? Come on, tell me what we have to find out here. Perimeter, measure the sides and find the perimeter of the figures given below. So how you have, this is what? Triangle. So what you are going to write? Perimeter of triangle is equals to, now have you measured? Yes. Have you measured, students? Tell me how much. See how to find out? All sides addition, sum of all sides, AB plus AC plus BC. Now how much AB? Come on, use the ruler. Do you have scale? Yes, everyone should have scale in this way, and just start from 0, keep at A point and just measure in the textbook and tell me how much AB is. See, AB is 4 centimeter. See, triangles, 3 sides are always equal, but then to use the ruler and measure. AC also 4 centimeter and BC also 4 centimeter. Okay, now we got the measurements of this triangle. Now we will add how much AB is 4 centimeter plus AC also 4 centimeter plus BC also 4 centimeter. Now 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 centimeter. Thus perimeter of triangle, which triangle? ABC is equals to 12 centimeter. And draw one nice box with scale and pencil. Okay, understood? In this way you are going to solve. Okay, now third one I will solve for you. See the third one. Now everyone use the ruler. See that given here rectangle. You are going to measure and tell me E, F, G, H. Now use the ruler, come on. Use the ruler and measure and tell me. See, here we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, isn't it? What is the name of rectangle? E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. See, we have studied there are two ways to find out the perimeter of rectangle. The first one, you can add all the sides equally, or else you can do 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent side. Now here what I'll do, measure fast. How much EF? Start from 0. Yes, start from 0. You will get 6 centimeter. Okay, when you measure FG, you get 1 centimeter. Again same, the opposite sides are equal, so write directly 6 and 1 centimeter. Now here EF plus FG plus GH plus EH. Now what is EF? 6 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14 centimeter. Thus, see, write the answer. Perimeter of rectangle EFGH is equals to 14 centimeter. Then draw one nice box for the answer. Okay? Understood? Now next one. Now see, fourth one also rectangle. Now fifth one I will solve for you. See the fifth one? The fifth one they had given the square. And the name of that square is ABCD only. Now come on, measure with scale. What is AB? When you measure, you will get 4 centimeter. Okay? So, no, they had given rectangle only. Fifth one also. Okay? BC also 3 centimeter. BC is 3. So, opposite sides are equal, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So, here the perimeter of, what do you say? Rectangle. Rectangle ABCD is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Now what is AB? 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Now we will add 4 plus 3. Yes. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4. Yes, tell me. See, here we will use the second method. Okay? How? 2 multiplied by AB and CD same, so I'll write only AB plus BC and AD same, so I'll write BC. Okay? Now 2 multiplied by what is AB? 4 plus BC is 3. So what you are going to do? 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. Now write your perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equals to 14 centimeter. The last one I am going to explain, the sixth one. See, very simple. Now they are given very small square. Now see. Come on, measure fast and tell me how much each side is. E, F, G, H. 1, 1, 1, 1. They are given each side 1 centimeter. So write your perimeter of square EFGH. Now what are the centimeters? 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1. How much together? 4 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of square EFGH is 4 centimeter. Okay? Now remaining 2 examples you are going to solve by your own in the rub book today itself. Okay? Have you understood what we have studied in this session? I hope the concepts are clear about perimeter of finding the perimeter area, finding the perimeter of triangle, rectangle and square. Okay? Today itself you practice with ruler and pencil, so there will be no confusion. Now B question, B, C, D, E is left. We will solve in coming next session. What is your today's home assignment? Exercise 6.1 and 6.2A question once again solve in the rub book today itself. Okay? Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.